Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Ruby Database. So in this video, they have made inspire. So today, I would like to share you about how to put the data fully in IUS. Like you use a Microsoft Fabric in the Power App. Last time we always talk about the Power BI dashboard like that's in a report automatically, right? But the question in the user and the community ask how we make the clean data automatically with the module and the user put correctly. Example, I have a module UI UX in the sales data management and sales team. Example, in the sales team one, I click button, you see a new screen display the table, right? You see the data. How the data to appear? See the source, data Google system or anyone's database. Automatic to connect for this tool. You see, you can use in the device in the iPhone, on the iPad, the laptop. The experience look like that. We have three functions: enjoy, edit, sort, search. In here, example, if you input in a new pro new record, you put in a new enjoy, typing here, anything you submit or reset. But I would like to introduce you in the one example in the edit. As you see this column, you see on way in the Tony tail. But here, can you check? I would like to change this one. You see, you can put the function edit here. So wait. Okay, the new screen in the function edit display, and in the ID tool, you click on the history of data. Now I would like to change for this button, right? Tony tail. Okay, then I click update, right? And you see in the table here, they come back and the data appearing here, ID2 here, Tony tail, right? And we come back in the source data. You see the yellow here, Tony tail. Okay, this is we call in the Power App UI you input the data very smart. Okay, goodbye guys. Waiting in the next video. Thank you so much.